Agentic AI explained the next evolution in artificial intelligence, 2025 AI revolution. Forget what you know about ChatGPT and generative AI, because the next evolution is here, Agentic AI. It's not just smart, it acts, it decides, and it does. Welcome to the 2025 AI revolution, where artificial intelligence becomes more than just a tool. In this video, you'll discover what Agentic AI really is, how it works, what sets it apart, and why it's about to change everything, from business and content creation to daily life. Now, here's the thing. Right now, most people are still experimenting with how to write the perfect prompt, asking AI to draft emails, summarize articles, or write social media captions. And while that's cool, something much bigger is quietly happening behind the scene. Where's the silent AI revolution unfolding? One where machines don't just respond to you, they think, plan, and act. You give it a goal, and it figures out the how. Sound like science fiction? It's not. This is real, it's powerful, and it's happening right now. So what exactly is Agentic AI? Agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that have agency, the ability to act autonomously toward a goal. They don't just sit around waiting for you to ask for something. Instead, they can interpret your objective, plan multi-step strategies, use tools or apps, monitor progress, adapt based on feedback, and complete complex tasks with little to no human intervention. Imagine telling your AI, create a new product launch plan, build the landing page, write the emails, and start a targeted ad campaign. And it just does it. That's the essence of Agentic AI. It's not passive, it's proactive. Now, let's clarify the difference. Generative AI, the kind we've gotten used to, is reactive. You give it a prompt, and it gives you a result. Want a story? It writes one. Want a picture? It draws one. Want a line of code? Done. But that's where it ends. It doesn't remember your goals, track progress, or initiate further action. Agentic AI, on the other hand, can take that creative output and act on it. It can initiate the next steps without being told what to do at every moment. Let's look at a real-world example. You might say, I want to grow my YouTube channel. A generative AI can give you a content calendar or script ideas. But an Agentic AI could research trending keywords, generate and edit video scripts, create thumbnail designs, schedule your posts, track your metrics, even recommend what to improve based on performance. It doesn't just give advice, it takes action. That's why this is such a big deal. Agentic AI represents a new kind of digital intelligence, one that shifts from being a smart assistant to becoming an autonomous co-worker. And the use cases are limitless. In business, imagine agents handling market research, writing reports, managing campaigns, or responding to customers, all automatically. In your personal life, you could have an AI plan your vacation, monitor your health goals, or help your kids with their homework without you doing the heavy lifting. Let's take a look at what's already out there. AutoGPT, one of the earliest agentic AI frameworks. It chains together thoughts and actions to achieve a goal. It can write, search, improve itself, and run tasks autonomously. BabyAGI, an AI that generates new tasks based on completed ones. It adjusts its own plan, learning on the go. Devin, the world's first AI software engineer. It can code, debug, test, and even commit code to GitHub, all on its own. OpenAI Assistance API. Developers can now build AI agents with memory, tools, and long-term contexts, making them more like AI employees than chatbots. These aren't just cool experiments. They are working prototypes of what our near future will look like. But let's not ignore the deeper questions. As agentic AI becomes more powerful, it forces us to ask, who's accountable for what the agent does? How do we control systems that are increasingly independent? What happens to jobs, trust, and security when AIs can act autonomously? The potential is massive, but so is the responsibility. We're entering a new era, and unlike previous shifts in tech, this one thinks for itself. Which brings us to the future. Agentic AI isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a full-on paradigm shift in how we interact with machines. It will reshape industries. It will challenge the way we define work, and it will introduce new expectations for what AI can and should do. And guess what? One of the first areas where this is going to hit hard is education. In our next video, we're diving deep into how agentic AI will revolutionize learning, from personalized lesson plans to smart tutoring to fully AI-managed classrooms. It's going to be powerful, and we're going to show you exactly how. So, if you're excited about the future of AI, if you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And tell me in the comments, if an AI could take on one job in your life, what would it be? The age of agentic AI has begun, and this is just the beginning.